Did you know that you can reuse or recycle 100% of plant waste which are generated in your garden? Share this reel and save it for your future reference. For this, all you need is 3 to 4 components which are easily available at your place at very cost-friendly manner. One is the soil, second one is the cocopeat, third one is the vegetable waste or plant waste which you are generating. Fourth one is a pit or a bucket for composting. Step 1, all you need to do is make a layer of cocopeat and soil mixture, and above this add on the vegetable or plant waste, and upon this you add on one more layer of soil or cocopeat to start your composting journey. Usually the leaf litters need fungal growth for accelerated decomposition. If you need accelerated decomposition, then you can add fungal inoculum to the media, or you can add cocopeat which has fungal inoculum in it. And by this method you can get your compost within 30 to 45 days, and you can reuse for your plants, or this is a black gold which we call in our gardening needs. Happy gardening, and follow Biotechmaali for more such content. Thank you so much guys.